Hello everyone, I'm here to talk about a decision that I made recently that has improved my life and my mother's life, buying an LG top-load washer from Abenson store. A washer is a machine that can wash clothes automatically, saving time, energy, and water. This LG washer comes with an awesome features which include Smart Inverter control, Smart Motion, Turbo Drum, and many more. It's a great investment for any household, especially for busy and hardworking people like my mother. Iya po. My mother is a wonderful person who takes care of me and our family. She does a lot of chores every day, including washing clothes by hand. This is a very tiring and tedious task that takes up a lot of her time and energy. She often complains about back pain, sore hands, and dry skin. So I decided to buy a good quality washer. I also decided to make this video after a month for us to try it out firsthand and see if it's really energy saving as it comes with smart inverter control already. Let me show you how it's being used. Turn it on and open the washer door. You put the powder or liquid detergent here. I'll be washing my room carpet, so choose heavy for soil level, and for the beeper or alarm, just set it to high enough for you to hear it, even if you're a bit far away. You can also set water level, wash minutes, times of rinse, spin strength, and program you will use. Since I will be washing my carpet, I will use duvet. Just press multiple times to select the program, then press start when it's ready. Normally, this LG washer will automatically set the program using its sensors, but you can just adjust it to what you think is best. When changing settings or opening the door, you will need to pause it to avoid errors. Let me adjust it to my desired water level and minutes of washing. Then press start again to continue. Here you put the fabric conditioner, but based on our experience, it's best to put the fabric conditioner when there are only 18 to 20 minutes left on the timer and you put it directly. Here is the bleach dispenser. You will observe the washer is doing clockwise and counterclockwise movements. But the underneath pulsators are the ones rotating. I was a bit disappointed when I saw it first because it's not what I've expected, like conventional washer where it spins in one direction. After washing, our clothes are clean and fragrant. I am very happy with my purchase and so is my mother. She loves using the washer and she says it has made washing clothes much faster and easier. She can now spend more time doing other things that she enjoys or relaxing. It is also power saving based on our electric bill. I highly recommend it.